Hi, today I'm going to show you guys how to create hyperlinks in Canva. I'm in the middle of creating a digital planner, so I'm going to teach you how simple it is to create links with the pages that you have. So let me just delete these extra numbers for now. So I created month of July, and now I'm going to create a July plans page. So I just duplicate the June page, rename it. It's important to name your page so you can link back to whatever tabs that you click on. So here's the July plan. So let's say I click on the number 7 and the tab behind it and click on links, and I go down to the page that I choose with the correct names. So when you go over it, you see July plans. That means it is hyperlinked. So again, click on the text and the tab behind it, go to links, and then I click on July, the month of July. So every time you click on that, it goes to the month of July. Here, clicking on the tab in the text, click on links, and I go click it back to July plans. So everything is hyperlinked back and forth to the pages that you want to coordinate with. I'm creating the link and the month of July. So there it is. The links are created. You see the links with the blue. So you click on it, it goes to the page. Thanks for watching. Spark Creates.